Hey, what's up everybody? Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing our carbon fiber gas tank covers on our 25 Road Glide. The tools we're going to use is going to be a 7mm socket, a 40 Torx bit, a 27 Torx bit, and that's an extended one, a 3mm hex, and a 537 hex. First thing you're going to do is remove the seat. You want to access the 3 bolts here in the back for the center console and for the gas tank. All right, first thing we're going to do on the gas tank is going to remove the center console, which is going to start with this one right here, and that one's going to be a Torx 27. I'm going to go right there. All right, the next one we're going to do is a 5/32 hex, and that's going to go up top here on the top of the gas tank. All right, next we're going to remove the top bolt here on the top of the gas tank console. That's going to be a 5/32 hex. It should just come straight off. To remove the gas tank, there's 2 bolts at the end here at the bottom, and that's going to be a Torx 40 bit. All right, next you're going to remove the rubber grommets that are on top of here, the rubber seals. And this is also a Torx 40 bit. We're just going to remove the bolts. We're not going to remove the gas tank. All right, the gas tank cover should just line up with no resistance whatsoever. All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna line up the supplied hardware that comes with the gas tank cover, and that's gonna be a 3mm hex and a 7mm socket. We're gonna hand tighten it first. Make sure the washers go in between the nut and the actual bolt. Like again, that's a 3mm hex and a 7mm socket. So when reinstalling the hardware for the gas tank, just hand get it in the threads. Do not tighten it down because you will need to adjust. So just get it a little bit threaded a little bit. All right, and same for the front. All right, again, for the front hardware on the gas tank cover, you're going to use the stock hardware that came with it. And again, just going to retighten it by your hand until we get everything aligned. All we're doing is just getting a little thread in there, tightening it just a little bit. All right, once you get it all lined up, then you can go ahead and tighten it down. And again, this is carbon fiber, so you don't want to crank on it too much. You don't want to crack it, you just want it nice and snug. All right, when reinstalling the console for the gas tank, make sure the holes line up, and it's going to be a 5/32 hex and a 27 Torx. 27 Torx towards the rear. We're just going to get that hand tightened a little bit. All right, 5/32 for the rear. Or the front, excuse me. As you can see, pretty simple install, carbon fiber gas tank cover on a 25 Road Glide. You can also tell by checking it out, we have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.